he's got one more.
No, it's that
Shot, fifth shot, five up. This,
In the
this
toilet.
shot is his fifth shot.
That's it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
If this is yours, I give it to you. The point.
Okay.
Okay, let's see.
Pretty sure. Which one's up?
Wow, Federico!
Now it's switching.
Wow!
Really try to get her to play. She didn't want to do it. Close, babe. Nice!
Okay?
No, nag-video na ako.
Ooh, that's a good one. You are keep hitting that way. You should have hit this way. You should have done. Maybe because of the wind going that way. Maybe, I don't know. Oh, yeah, you're right. Let me try the blue. That's a good one. Home run.
Home run?
That's a good one.
Now what's on? Okay, it's your turn.
Arthur?
Do you want to try? Hey, you want to take right?
You first.
Ethan first.
And he needs a lot. Straight your back.